If you're looking for a turnkey, multi-family investment that's easy to manage in one of the most exciting neighborhoods in Brooklyn, look no further. My name is Everett Smith with The Agency, and this isn't your typical listing video. So if you're looking for something that's a little bit more fun, flashy, with awesome music, you can check out this video in the corner here. Secondly, if you are an investor that's looking for a value add type of property that could be delivered vacant, and or you're looking to potentially renovate the shit out of it so that you can make even more on your investment for the future, this is not your property. I'm gonna save you the extra 2 minutes seeing if the numbers will work for you, because they just won't. Now let's jump into it. Welcome to 636 President Street. The building consists of 4 units, fully occupied, laid out over 3,000 square feet of total space. The building itself is 17 feet by 45 feet on an 80-foot lot. As is, our total net operating income is about $144,000 per year, and that is factoring in all of your expenses, including your insurance, taxes, maintenance, and all of the utilities. Capital improvements include a new roof, a new boiler, new hot water tank, a few window replacements, and the stairwells of the building have been reinforced. Each of the units are 2 bedrooms, about 725 square feet each. The top 3 floors include an extra half bedroom, ideally used as a home office or a walk-in closet space. The ground floor unit has access to the backyard, a quiet and cozy oasis for the tenant to help get even more for that unit or for yourself if you decide to end up moving into the space. Minor updates and renovations to the kitchen and the bathrooms have been made so that there is still room for improvement if you decide you want to upgrade or make even further improvements while still adding as much of the conveniences needed to yield the most for the space as is. In the basement is a washer and dryer, brand new for the tenant's free usage, as well as 2 storage rooms to be used for the tenants as needed. Lastly, but definitely not least, the building's tax class is 2A, which means the taxes are limited to how much they can step up year over year. Another great follow-up question is this a type of property that I could potentially live in and rent out all the other units to help cover my mortgage? Absolutely. Imagine finishing out your apartment with all of the top-of-the-line finishes that you want to put inside of it, meanwhile being able to take advantage of the community and the neighborhood in which it's located, all at the price for less than what you would actually pay for renting a 2-bedroom here in Park Slope currently. You have no additional common charges because you own your building, and you can get a mortgage right now for living in this space for actually much cheaper than if you were to be looking for a 30-year mortgage in general. All the while you're building your equity up year over year because the rents are also increasing year over year. We have a statement that shows what that looks like over time. And if all that wasn't enough, it is easy for me to rent out these units for you on the regular basis. We've never had a vacancy here for longer than 5 days max, and I would be happy to rent it out for you. So that's it. Those are all the details that people usually ask me about right off the bat. And if you'd like to learn more, I would text President to the number at the bottom of your screen, and I'd be happy to send you over the rent roll, cash flow statement, and any other details that can help guide you through the purchase of your next investment. And if you would like to learn more about Park Slope, the neighborhood in which it's located, and the reason why it's one of the most desirable neighborhoods in New York City, I would check out this video here to get the full scoop on why with this investment you're getting the most bang for your buck. Again, this is Everett Smith with The Agency, and thank you for watching my channel, Easy NYC Real Estate, where I make New York City real estate easy for you.